Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mailchimp to email your LinkedIn audience, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Mailchimp to email your LinkedIn audience, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Audience tab on the left sidebar and click on it. From the Audience section, select the specific audience you want to connect with LinkedIn. In your Audience dashboard, find the Integrations option. Click on Integrations to see the available integration options. Look for LinkedIn and click on Connect. You will be redirected to a login page for LinkedIn. Enter your LinkedIn credentials to sign in. Follow the prompts to grant Mailchimp permission to access your LinkedIn account. Once connected, you can manage the settings for the integration. Return to Mailchimp and verify the connection status to ensure it's active. Now, navigate back to your audience settings. Here, you can choose to sync your LinkedIn contacts with Mailchimp. Select the option to import LinkedIn connections. You may be prompted to confirm which connections to import. Choose the appropriate connections and finalize the import process. Monitor the import progress to ensure all selected contacts are added to your audience. Once the import is complete, review your audience list for accuracy. You are now ready to create and send email campaigns to your LinkedIn audience. Remember to track engagement and response rates for future campaigns. This will help refine your strategy and improve communication with your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.